Install your 3/4 inch conduit onto the chuck end and tighten the cut point set screws. Insert into your drill. Install the drill adapter onto the other end of the conduit. Tighten the cut point set screws. Drill your pilot hole. For deck heights over 14 feet, use the provided coupling to attach 2 pieces of 3/4 inch conduit. On a second 3/4 inch piece of conduit, install the other chuck end. Insert into your drill. Install the anchor stabilizer onto the opposite end of the conduit and insert your predetermined length of threaded rod with anchor. The anchor stabilizer is designed to be used from the ground, making it safer, more cost-effective, and more efficient than previous methods, allowing you to install the anchor and all thread in one step.